So we're being asked to do the same thing, describe all transformations to get from F to G. So I'm going to look at the vertex first. Looks like it's here, and it's moved to here. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the left. So that's going to really be an x plus 5 inside my function. And then I went up 1, 2, 3. I'm going to have up 3. That'll be a plus 3 on the end. Now I look to see my y values were 2. This counts to be 8. And over here my first one is a negative 1. And my next one is a negative 4. So hopefully you can see that if we're going from 8 to negative 4 and 2 down to negative 1, 8 times negative a half would give me negative 4, and 2 times negative a half would give me negative 1. So this is my stretching, or my multiplier. So now when I look at my function, if I started with f a times f of x minus b plus c equaling g of x, then a would have to be negative 1/2 times f of, well, we want this to be x plus 5, but this is written in the form of x minus something. So I must need an x minus a negative 5. That will now look like f of x plus 5, and that would move us left 5. That means that b had to be a negative 5 this time, so that when I plug in negative 5, I'll get x plus 5. And the last thing, c must have been negative 3. So we have a equals negative 1/2, b equals negative 5, c equals negative 3.